Per usual, the tip is pointed first. In this video, you're going to see every hammer strike. I haven't cut anything out. It's sped up about 3.5 times, and there's still about 19 minutes of hammering, which is over an hour of real-time striking. That makes this video super long, and frankly, I don't have that much to say. So people don't seem to like the addition of music to some of these. That means there's just going to be a lot of tink, tink, tink. Ewart Oakeshott was a 20th century historian who created a system of classifying medieval swords based on their shapes and certain characteristics. I don't want to shoot a little bit too soon in my case. So a few errant hammer strikes later and I'm chasing my tail. This is going to end up costing me some length in the long run, unfortunately. Right there, that's where it happened. I feel like I'm better at isolating tangs than I've demonstrated in the last few videos. It's really sort of frustrating, but, you know, that happens, I guess. Or maybe, maybe I'm just not as good. Maybe I just suck. I don't know. Maybe that's the problem. I'm working my way up the sword from the base to the tip, straightening it in the vise, hammering out some dings and bends and stuff as I go. Trying to achieve some uniform thickness along the edge. If that twist has been bothering you as much as it has been bothering me, you're going to love this part. Just clamp it up. And we're done. That was easy. Pretty cool. A few more pitter-patters and we're going to call this done. It's been a blast, guys. It's a bit of an experiment. I know it's a long video, but I also think it's a little bit unique, and maybe you appreciate that. And again, I don't know what the future holds for this thing, but we'll see. Next time we're going to grind this in heat.